Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and the best thing I've ever purchased. This is a 2004 Porsche 911 GT3. It has 29,000 miles. It started life as a street car, so it still has a proper title. It is street legal. You have wipers and lights and turn signals and all of that nonsense. And then it was built to Cup car specs. So you have the Series cage, a CAE shifter, AIM dashboard, proper Sabelt seats and harnesses. It has a 997 GT3 gearbox. It has a 996 Cup car exhaust. Autometrics Motorsports supposedly rebuilt the engine and transaxle in 2018 or 2019. The engine has the engraved serial numbers from where they worked on it. They are having trouble finding the records. I guess they switched computer systems in 2020. It has custom Formula 43 wheels. Oh, and we do have some records of track support totaling about $30,000. We can send you the PDF of that. And yeah, it's just a spectacular car all around. So there you have it, our 2004 Porsche 911 GT3.